I had a bunch of scraps left over from some other projects, so today I thought I would use them to do some no-sew fabric scrap projects. And I'm excited to show you guys, and let's get started. For this cute bracelet, I'm going to take a shirt that I had used for another project, and I'm going to cut a scrap piece out of it, and then using a needle, I'll put these beads onto it in a knot. So I'll show you how I made this one now. So here it is finished. I think it's cute and simple, and a twist on the friendship bracelets that everyone is making right now. And then you can just simply tie it onto the wrist and it'll be a cute little bracelet. These cute fabric scrap paper clips are the perfect addition for planners or in your books or anywhere you like to paper clip. And they're super simple to do. I'm going to use my roller cutter and cut some fabric strips, and then I'm going to attach them to paper clips. I'll show you how to do it now. Here they are, all finished, and you can see you can do them in different colors and for any season, and they're just simple and fun way to use your scrap fabric. Another cute scrap fabric idea is to make a bow. You could use it to add to a package or to just a tier tray, or you can add a clip to it and it can be a hair bow. These have multiple purposes, but I will show you how to make one of these now. And here it is, a really simple, sweet little bow that you can make using fabric scraps. Another cute and simple project you can do with fabric scraps is to create a mobile. And for this one, I'm going to use the outer edge of an embroidery hoop because I used the inner for a different project, and some fabric scraps and twine. I'll show you guys how I made this now. And here it is, all done. You could also add some lace or some ribbon with it, and that could add some extra cute detail to it. But it's really simple and really cute and really fun. Here is another really sweet, simple project to do with fabric scraps. You can make tags with them that are unique. This is a no-sew one, but I do like the look of when people use a sewing machine and sew over their fabric. But this is a simple one to do. I used a journaling card, some twine and fabric and double stick tape, and I will show you how I did that now. And here's the finished product. It was really simple to do. I think it's cute. I love the frayed edges, and I think it just kind of adds a nice little touch to tags. Another fun, easy, cute thing you can do with your fabric scraps is to make art with it. Here I used a tag that can be hung with stockings, and I used fabric to make a Christmas tree. You could use your fabric to make birds or whatever type of art design you want. You could frame it and display it on your walls. There's really endless possibilities, but I decided to do this fabric tree. You could also use Mod Podge to adhere your fabric, but I wanted to be able to feel the soft fabric, so I used double-sided tape. And then I also added some embellishments, and so I will show you how I did that now. And here's the end product. That was really fun, it was really simple, and I think it's really cute. And I'm excited to make 3 more to go with our stockings at our house. Another simple fun thing you can do with your fabric scraps is to make some garland. This is a really tiny one that could be used with scrapbook paper, but I just used some floss from embroidery floss, and I hot glued some pieces of fabric to it. So I'll show you guys how I did that now. So here it is. It was really simple. This would also be fun to make it bigger. You could do triangles, shapes, you know, and you could hang it in your room. But yeah, just lots of cute opportunities to use your fabric scraps as garland. So here they are. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these projects was your favorite. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.